So guys, when I tell you I am beyond annoyed at this point, I took my precious time editing this video, and then guess what happens? When I convert it, my audio just was not there anymore. So I'm just going to voice record the rest of this video. Okay, so as you can see right now, all I did was take a Maybelline concealer, and I'm doing my contour. This concealer I will have listed below as far as the color. I believe it's in Cocoa. I like this color because it is more on the warmer side and perfect for summertime, so it gives you that nice natural glow instead of, you know, the obvious contour that kind of looks harsh.
Where I'm supposed to be, all of these emotions keep exposing me. All I needed was some time.
So once I place my highlight and contour in the places that I want to contour and highlight, I then take this brush. This brush I believe is a blush brush. I bought it from Target, so I don't know the exact brand of it, but I love it because the bristles are really soft and help blend in everything very seamlessly. Blending is key when it comes to a flawless makeup routine. You want to make sure that your highlight and your contour is blended flawlessly so that it's no harsh lines in between the two, and you know, we want to look as natural as possible.
Call up, I would hit you with a follow-up, keeping everything so bottled up, and it's only because we don't talk enough. No It's all just me now. It's 2 a.m. and I swear it's all just me. It's all just me now. Chill, hold on. Late nights for the better. You let it go, it's whatever. I know we can make it together. I know I've been down for the weather, yeah. I haven't seen you in weeks. If you see me now, then I'll be so weak, all on my knees, and I couldn't speak.
So what I'm doing now is I'm setting my face with Airspun setting powder. The purpose for the powder is pretty much to just set everything into place, and so that you don't deal too much with creasing and your makeup moving throughout the day. I love Airspun. To be honest, it gives me the most translucent look, and it's very affordable. It doesn't give me that ghost-like look, and it's very breathable as well.
And I'm going in right now.
Personally, I like applying the powder to a damp sponge. I find that whenever I apply it to a damp sponge, it blends in a whole lot better, and again, it doesn't give me that flashback look versus if you just put powder straight onto your face. So here I was over here ranting about Black Radiance. Ladies, if you have not heard of Black Radiance and are a woman of color, then you need to be put onto Black Radiance. Black Radiance is the best product for us Black women. So right now what I'm doing is applying bronzer, and bronzer is one of those kind of those makeup items that, like, at least me anyway, I grew up only thinking it was kind of like a white girl thing. I didn't really hear too many Black girls who be like, oh, I'm applying or using bronzer. But Black Radiance has the best bronzers for us Black girls, especially for warmer weather now with spring and summer approaching. These are the best bronzers for us that give us that nice glowy, dewy, summer sun-kissed look.
Did to me, the boy coming for the energy, trying to figure out the real in me. I know I'm not where I'm supposed to be. All of these emotions keep exposing me. All I need.
Alright, so at this point I've allowed the powder to set into place, and so now I'm just dusting it off. Just take a big fluffy brush. You could use a powder that is close to your skin tone to remove the powder. Unfortunately, I did buy one and I hadn't seen it since the day that I bought it. So you can still dust it off and you'll be fine once you set your face, but you can have an even more natural look if you do use the powder that is close to your skin tone.
And it's 2 a.m. and I swear it's all.
Alright, so another holy grail of mine is the Milk blush. Y'all, when I tell you this right here has changed my makeup game, like it's such a minimal product, but like blush does definitely make a difference. And blush was one of those kind of things I also thought was just a white girl product. But ever since I was introduced to Milk's blush, I fell in love because the consistency is so nice and creamy that it just melts right into your skin. So as you see right now, I look a little rosy, but obviously I'm not going to keep it like this. A trick that I like to use, I'll use the same brush that I used before to blend out my contour so that it still has a little bit of the contour residue on it. And I will use that to blend out the blush so that way that it will cancel out each other and not make me look clownish.
Trying to figure out the real in me. I know I'm not where I'm supposed to be. All of these emotions keep exposing me. All I needed was some time just to figure it out. But you can't run in your mouth.
Now I'm just setting everything into place and using the same spritz that I used earlier for to blend out our foundation. After that, I will take the same beauty blender or sponge, whatever you would like to call it. Although I prefer to use a dry sponge for this, but I didn't have one at the moment. But just take the back of it and just press everything in to ensure that it's nice and seamless.
I've been up all night and no sleep, and it's 2 a.m. and I swear it's all just call up. I would hit you with a follow-up, keeping everything so bottled up.
I'm now putting Makeup Revolution's Jelly highlighter. I love this highlighter because it's one of those type of highlighters where it's not very glitzy and you know it's obvious that it's highlight on your face, but it's one of those highlighters where it just gives you that real nice natural dewy look. But I typically use this first as a base to just enhance the highlight that I typically use, because again, I'm not too much into the glitter highlights, but I do like, you know, my highlight to glow, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm just using the jelly, and then I will layer it up with the Juvia's Place highlighter, which you have to be very careful with because that stuff right there is the real deal, but it will have you shining so bright.
All I needed was some time just to figure it out. But you can't run in your mouth, posing for grammar for clout. I know what goes down in your rounds, yeah. What you saying when I'm not around? Voices all in the background, trying to take me right out of my bound, yeah. And I'm going in right now, and I cannot lose right now.
For mascara, I'll be using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I was going to apply lashes, but then after looking at how, y'all, the good thing about this quarantine is like I don't wear makeup as often, so like my lashes are flourishing. So I really didn't need to put on false lashes. Plus, Better Than Sex mascara is really good too at lengthening your lashes. So here I was again ranting. I was ranting because every time that I've tried to record this video, which y'all, I have tried to record this video at least 3 times, and each time it has been something. And this time it was again something, my audio, like I was so close. But yes, this is pretty much the complete look. I think the only thing left that I did was I applied some lip gloss from my local beauty supply store. This hair is from AliExpress. It is lace front. I don't know the exact brand of it because I purchased it possibly around 1.5 years ago, but I do know that it is very reasonable. So if I do come across it, I will definitely share.
Some time just to figure it out, but you can't run in your mouth, posing for grammar for clout. I know what goes down in your rounds, yeah. What you saying when I'm not around? Voices all in the background, trying to take me right out of my bound, yeah. And I'm going in right now, and I cannot lose right now. I've been up all night and no sleep, yeah. And it's 2 a.m. and I swear it's all just me.
All right, so yeah, guys, this is the final look. I'm so sorry that this audio decided that it did not want to play anymore. So I cannot properly have a proper outro. But yeah, you guys, I will say that I'm pleased in how this turned out. If you do like, make sure that you comment and you like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Until next time.
It's all just me now.